Hello student, welcome to RBO Solutions Programming Training. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to send value using URL parameter, right? For creating this project, you should create a folder in your XAMPP server htdocs. Okay. After creating folder, you can open this folder using your VS Code code editor. Then you create three files, one form.php, then url.php, then output.php, right? In form.php, we are creating an interface so that we can enter two value and press sub. When we press submit, it will be submitted on form and we redirect that value into the dynamic page. Okay, as you know, in PHP we are using two methods for sending value from to dynamic end. So these methods are get and post. If you are using post methods, the data you are sending it's go through hidden format. But if you are using get parameter, get method, then the value sent using URL. Okay, so it's clear that when you are sending some secure value like username, password, we send using the post method. But if you plan to send some IDs, date, time, okay, timestamp, then you can use the get method. Okay, generally we are sending ID using get method. Okay, so this is the code for form, basic HTML code I am writing for form. So for creating a form, we are just start HTML. You in VS Code, you just create exclamation sign, then press tab. The structure of HTML automatically created. After that, you just create a form, then form name, any name, then action. The action is the target page. If you are creating the url.php, then when you press the submit button, the control goes through url.php file, right? But if you set the action is blank, then the control is in same page. Okay. So when you press submit button, then the action go to the URL page. Before that, we should clear that when you create a text box, you should very clear about this. So you should create consider to name for unique name for text box. The first one we are creating v1 for the text box 1 and we are creating v2 for text box 2. So these are the variables for the dynamic one. Okay, so when you submit this value, we get the value from these v1 and v2. In post session, we receive those value using the post parameter, PHP post parameter. Actually, PHP $_get, $_post, those are the global variable PHP. In next session, we will discuss about details about all the global variables of PHP. Okay, so using the get session, you can receive those value from the variable form variables. Okay, as you have said, the method is get, that's why we are using get here. So this gets is linked with this. Okay, if you are using post, then you write post. If you are using get, then you write get here. Okay, so $val, first you open the PHP section, that's less than question mark PHP and question mark greater than. Okay, then you just use the get method to receive those values, not post method. After that, you design your URL. So this is very important, how to design the URL so that we can get parameters easily. So first A for anchor tag, then href is create for link to the file, and then output.php, then question mark. Okay, then we assume d1 or d2 are two variables where we want to store our value. So we stored $val1 in d1 and $val2 in d2. Okay, between this we are using just AND operator. So syntax is file name, then question marks. So you can write the syntax again. So first file name, then question mark, then custom any variable name, then $PHP variable name $val1, then and then next variable d2 then again PHP variable. So this is our basic structure to create a URL pattern. Okay, file name dot extension, file name dot PHP. Then we are writing the link. When you click this text, is just hit this file. When you click, any user click on this link, the click event, it's called this file output.php. So if this is my output.php, I'm writing the output.php here. So when it's called, it's just hold two value $val1 and val2 in D1 and D2, right? So when it's called, it's just hold two value and it appears on your just at the bottom part in your taskbar, just up of the taskbar, you get those values. So you find here the localhost, then file name. Suppose my file name is output.php, then the entire thing question mark D1. Then suppose I am entering value here Rajat, val1 equals to Rajat, my name is Rajat, so here Rajat, and operator, then D2 equal to, suppose my title is Bose, start name is Bose, so D2 equals to Bose. You just find, when you just hover it, you just find the link almost prepared on hover. And when you click this, it will get those value and echo it in as output. So if you not get those value on hover, that means you are doing some mistakes. So you must confirm on hover if these links automatically prepare. So this is a simple sentence that is very important in PHP. You should know how to send value using URL. Okay, in next video we are going to learn how to send value using post method. Thank you.